fast to this.
You can't go fast.
Well, look at their yard.
Oh my God, they're all flooded. This is grassland, normally. Oh boy.
Road's good, solid. Just takes your time.
I'm going. Oh, this looks like they've run all the water out of here. This is the bad one up here. Look at that.
I guess we went through the whole telephone pole. Soften up that ground.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
This is a little bitty river that is way below this bridge usually. I'm not plowing into that. I'm gonna let these cars go.
Just take your time. It's the last one.
The kid said in the grocery store that they're expecting this to get higher.
Oh, yeah? Just go real slow. Let's go. You can see the yellow line.
Yeah, but you can stall out your car. We're 6 inches off the ground. I should have my window up. Are you looking out the window, Keegan? We're swimming in the car. Thank you. Oh boy.
Oh, nice and clean underneath.
Yeah.